Problem number 3. The table below shows the relationship between the amount of candy bought in pounds and the total cost of the candy in dollars. They tell us on our table that our amount of candy is our X, the cost of our candy is Y. To determine if these are proportional, the amounts are proportional in our table, we can use any of our methods that we've used before. We can cross multiply. Looking at our first two, that would give us 10 over 5 and 8 over 4, cost per amount of candy, making sure we have the same units on the top and the bottom. If we cross multiply, our means, 5 times 8 equals 40. Our extremes, 10 times 4 equal 40. Those are equal, so that is proportionate, these two items. Looking at our next two, we have 12 over 6, we have 16 over 8. Cross multiply, our means, 12 times 8 is 96. Our extremes, 6 times 16 is also 96. Those are equal, so those two are proportional to each other. Now for our last one, we can compare it with our first one. So 20 over 10 and 10 over 5. We cross multiply, 10 times 10 is 100, 20 times 5 is 100, so those are proportionate also. So those are proportionate to one another. So we do need to check one more pair, and let's look at these middle two. We have 8 over 4 and 12 over 6. All right, 4 times 12 is 48, 8 times 6 is 48. So again, those are proportional to one another. So therefore, our table is proportionate. So we can say yes, they are each proportional to the others. Now, we did that using our cross multiplying, but we can also do it using our K, determining what is our constant of proportionality. So as we've done before, using our original formula, we know that K is equal to Y divided by X. So I'm going to fill in my extra part here to find my K. And to find my K, each time I'm going to divide my Y divided by my X. So for our first one, 10 divided by 5 is 2. The second one, 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 16 divided by 8 is 2. And 20 divided by 10 is 2. So in each case, they all have the same constant unit rate. And that rate is K is equal to 2.